Ford unveils the 2024 F-150. Welcome back to Techstination. I'm Fred Fishkin. Joining us from Ford is F-150 Marketing Manager Austin Davis from a special location. Hi, Austin.
Hey, how's it going? Thanks for having me on. Yeah, I am live from the auto show, North America Auto Show, in the truck right now. So happy to be on.
In Detroit and in the new truck. So there's a lot new in the 2024 F-150 lineup. Hybrids, big screens, heads-up display available on some. Let's talk about some of these new features. What makes the 2024 really special?
Yeah, no, so I mean, you nailed some of them. A lot new with 2024. I mean, I think always kind of we start with the appearance. So we did upgrade, redesign some of the styling in the front of the truck. So we have new grills across the lineup through XL all the way through. So kind of keeps that same built Ford tough, look that our customers love, but kind of refresh it and give it a bold new look in the front. Also have some kind of touch enhancements on the tailgate lighting in the back as well with the tail lamps. So refreshed exterior. But I think the thing we're really excited to talk about, and I know we'll get into it more, is our new tailgate. So we introduced the Pro Access tailgate, which allows for a lot more usability and access to the bed of the tailgate with the customer. So we're excited about that a lot.
And describe for us what's different about that.
Yeah, so Pro Access tailgate, it adds a swing gate execution. So if you think you come around from the driver's side, it has a swing gate. So you can basically, there's a button, it unlatches it and it swings open. The max swing it can go is 100 degrees. And really what the benefit is it gives you about an extra 24 inches of reach, right? Because if you think about it today, you bring your tailgate down, you kind of like got to reach over. It's hard to get there. Or maybe you got to hop on the wheel well and like reach in. So it makes sometimes that experience of get things out of the bed tough to do. So this gives you an extra 24 inches. But what's really important about this, and it's just with the engineering team and working with the customers, because it's always getting customer insight, is towing is so important to an F-150 customer. 75% of our customers tow. So what the team built in is there's a resistance point on the tailgate, on the swing gate when it opens at 37 degrees. It'll give you a little bit of resistance there, and that prevents that tailgate from hitting into when a trailer is connected. It actually lets you have full bed functionality, get in, get out, grab stuff while connected to a trailer. So that's a really important kind of advantage for us, and very something the team thought a lot about.
Smart stuff. So
yeah,
you've got a lot of other new features to tell us about as well. Tell us inside and out.
Yeah, so I think one thing on the inside is kind of appearance inside is the 12-inch touchscreen is now standard on all F-150s. So that was a feature that was kind of became an optional as you go through the lineup previously. Now every F-150 gets the 12-inch touchscreen. So it's not sometimes always about bringing new technology, but it's about something customers love and making it more readily available. Also inside is we have a new heads-up display. So it kind of post that vital information to you in the front of your screen on the windshield. So it has different modes of what you're doing and it lets you kind of what's your speed, things like that pops up. We also have a 5G modem that's now standard on all F-150s. Allows for over-the-air software updates, Wi-Fi hotspots, things like that. And then one thing we're excited about is we're actually shipping F-150 with the new Blue Cruise 1.2. So that's our hands-free highway driving technology. So we have that, and then 1.2 brings in lane change assist. So I always say, you're driving, you're in the far left lane, your exit's coming up here in a handful of miles, and you just start moving over. You put that right blinker on, and when the truck feels it's safe, it'll actually move you over as you kind of as it sees it safe, and then it'll move you into the next lane.
That's really terrific, and those driver assistance features are really important today. I think people are becoming dependent on them to some extent.
Yeah, well, and that's a great segue because not only the features that I just mentioned, but a lot of the driver assist technologies that are now standard on the truck. So the example I use is the blind spot. So we call it Bliss, but it's that blind spot little monitoring lights. So that's a standard feature on all F-150s now. And then there's other technologies that come in with that as well, but we really standardize those driver assist technologies. Because like you said, they're so important and customers rely on them.
And you have something that's called an exit warning too. Tell us how that works.
Yeah, so the exit warning is a new feature that we brought in on Ford Copilot 360. So it just kind of alerts you of where you're getting out if there's something kind of around you that maybe coming by. So it's just kind of a way to keep you safe as a passenger or as a driver. So it's just another thing that we've added, like I said, with Bliss and like backup cameras and things like that.
Really, really terrific. And tell us about the hybrid options here as well.
Yeah. So, yep. So we're super excited. We're going to double our mix of our Power Boost hybrid engine. So today, about 10 of F-150s are engine. The 24 model year, we're going to take that to 20%. So we're going to double that mix. And the thing with the hybrid is, first and foremost, all F-150s, I talked about earlier with towing, all F-150s have to tow and haul. So the hybrid delivers on that. But in addition to that, it's got our best horsepower and torque. It's got 430 horsepower and 570 foot-pound of torque. So when it comes to basically, that's the best performing engine in our lineup, excluding the Raptor engines. So it's fun to drive. But then on top of that, speaking of technology, every Power Boost hybrid comes standard with the 2.4 kilowatt Pro Power on, and you have the option to go to the 7.2 kilowatt, and that's that mobile generator in the back of your truck. So you want to power a work site, you have saws, tools you need to do, you're working on a DIY project, it can power that. You go into the college football game, you're tailgating the NFL game, in Detroit, you're going to a Lions game, tailgating, they'll power the barbecue, the TV, all that stuff.
Very exciting. So when do they arrive? What can you tell us?
Yep. Yeah. So so we revealed it last night. The order opening today, which is the 13th. Build and price is also live on Ford.com. So if you want to go on and spec out a truck, you can do that. And the truck will go on sale in January of 2024.
Just terrific. And for more info, the best place to go?
Oh, Ford.com. So Ford.com F-150, all the information will be up there. It said build and price is live. So go spec out your truck and what color configuration you like. They're all up there.
Well, congratulations on the innovations. Austin Davis, thanks for spending time with us.
All right. Thank you. All right.